Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and a first impression of the Louis Vuitton My World Tour Speedy B30. So my bag came in this really nice dust bag. The material is really soft and I think it looks exactly like the original.
Ta-da!
This bag was nicely wrapped. There was plastic on the hardware and that styrofoam feeling material on the treated leather, which I really appreciate. Authentic Speedies come folded this exact same way, so don't freak out if you see your bag folded up. This is how they usually come. Okay, so inside the bag, I got a Louis Vuitton care card and I got this little box which has the lock and the keys inside. Please excuse my ratchet nails. I got them done the next day, so you'll see them change at the end of the video. This bag does come with one zipper pocket and the zipper is very smooth. The crossbody strap does come in 3 separate pieces, and this is so you can adjust it to fit your body style, so you can make it shorter or longer. So I chose the My World Tour Speedy because of the treated leather. I don't really care for the vachetta on the original, so if that is something that you also like, definitely check out this version. Okay, so the unboxing portion of this video is now done. So I'm going to go a little bit more in depth and detail and just give you my first impression and thoughts on this bag. So just like the Authentic, this bag does have the number on the side. So right here will show you 25, 30, or 35 depending on the size of the Speedy. The clasp does say Louis Vuitton, which is just like the original. So I believe these are called the chaps, and right here you can see they're a little bit puffy, which is perfect because that is exactly how the Authentic ones look. The stitching on this bag looked really nice. I did not see any inconsistencies or any frayed or loose ends, so that is definitely a good sign. So underneath the zippered pocket, there is a date code. Right here, mine says SP1098. So here I'm just showing you how it would look on your arm or crossbody. I am 5'4" and I am on the curvier side. So I did purchase this bag organizer off of Amazon for $16.99. I will go ahead and link it down in the description, but it looks like it's going to be good quality. I haven't got much use out of it yet, so I will definitely be updating you guys. The canvas on this bag is really great quality. It leans more towards the yellow golden tones, which is something that I look for when I'm buying a rep. The authentics do differ in color, I will say that, but most that I've seen are more towards the yellow golden tones, so that is definitely something that I look for. So the pocket on this bag does reach all the way down. That is definitely something you want to look for because some sellers, their pockets stop about halfway. So all in all, I definitely recommend this bag. If you're interested in who the seller is, please reach out to me on my Instagram. I will have it linked down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.